Lorenzo lines it to left field. That one will make it fair. And Cain races around first and will cruise into second base with a double. There's a base hit to left field. Infante scores. Valencia will tie the game. To third base, Escobar. He's safe. The throw to second. Safe is Cain. And the Royals have locked things up at 3. You're exactly right. With all the... There's one shot down the line, and Cain is 4 for 4, and very likely 3 doubles. Yep, he'll be rolling into second base. What a day for Lorenzo.
Especially in that leadoff spot.